Hi, Chris from CanadianDad.com here. You might remember me from such programs as the Windows Phone Holiday Swap this past Christmas time, and still rocking the Windows Phone over here in Ottawa, and loving everything about it. I take it everywhere with me. It's my camera. It's pretty much my lifeline at this point. So happy to be a part of the program. Microsoft Canada has asked me to nominate 2 more bloggers for their upcoming Summer Switch program. So I've nominated Julie from SoberJulie.com. Pretty easy one to figure out. She's kind of one of the first people that took me in and showed me the ropes without judging or asking for anything back, and I think her website's really awesome. So check out SoberJulie.com. And the next person I nominated is Rebecca from bitofmomsense.com. She's kind of my hometown mentor of sorts. She's kind of helped me in a lot of ways that open my eyes to what my potential is as a blogger and as a marketer and just as a social media person. So I owe her a lot, and I hope that this pays back a little bit of that. But anyways, I'm looking forward to helping out with the program. You can check it out on Twitter at #SummerSwitch, and follow Microsoft Canada on Twitter is at Microsoft Canada, and feel free to send me any tweets or questions you have about the program at Canadian Dad Blog. That's it for now. Thanks a lot. See you soon.